Okay guys, so we're going to make some cashew paste. Making cashew paste is quite easy. Basically, all you need is some cashews and some hot water. So what we're going to do, I have 1 cup of cashews here. I'm just going to put the cashews in the bowl. And then we're just going to add the hot water to it. We'll cover it and leave it for about 45 minutes. And then we will put it in the food processor and process it until it becomes a paste. Now, the water here, after we strain the cashews, we might use some of the water in order to help it to come into a paste. So basically, we're just going to leave this here. I'm going to cover it. That's hot water. I'm going to cover it here and leave it for about 45 minutes. And then we'll move on to the next step. So our cashew was soaking in the hot water for 45 minutes. So now we're going to drain it and then we're going to put it into the food processor. Okay guys, so our cashew paste is now completed. As you can see, it was quite simple to make, and now you can use it to add to your curries, to your pasta, or to whatever you need to thicken up. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. You can store your cashew paste in the fridge in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks.